next step is to change this chart style. To do this, we're going to click into the chart, go under the chart design tab in the ribbon, and in the chart styles menu, we can click this down arrow to look at all of them. We're going to change it to style 7, which is right here. And now our chart looks a little bit different. Next, we're going to add data labels. So still clicked into our chart, and under the chart design tab, we're going to hit add chart element all the way in the top left. We're going to hit data labels, and we're going to pick outside end for this one. So you can see all of the values on the end of each bar. Next, we're going to swap the data over the axis. We're going to change what it's measured on. So you're going to click into the chart again, click on the chart design tab, and in the data section, we're going to hit switch column row. And this way, now it's being based off of January, February, and March. We're splitting the data, and each bar is the type of product line.